Okay, first of all, what is algebraic expression? First of all, what is algebraic expression? We know alphabetical letters. Alphabetical letters are variables. And also we know numbers. Numbers are called constants. So, alphabeticals are taken as a variables, numbers are taken as a constants. So, what is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is nothing but combination of variables and constants. Example, 3x plus 4, 4x square plus 5. See, combination of variables and constants. Combination of variables and constants. Okay, next. Terms. So, this is algebraic expression. This algebraic expression combined with addition symbol or 3x square minus 4 minus symbol. So, this algebraic expression, these two are combined with addition symbol. So, it is divided, this algebraic expression is divided into two terms. 3x is one term, 4 is another term. So, first term, second term. So, in this algebraic expression also we have two terms. This is first term, this is second one. So, terms are divided with addition symbol or subtraction symbol. Our next topic is factors. Factors with tree diagram. We take it as a 3x square plus 4x plus 5. This is algebraic expression. So, how many times we have? 1, 2, 3. So, 3x square, 4x, 12. So, what are the factors of 3x square? So, x square multiplied with 3. So, x square means x into x. Now, 4x. 4x is multiplied 4 into x. So, 4x. 1 is 1 into 5. So, these are the factors of 3x square. These two are factors of 4x. These two factors of 5. So, this is called tree diagram about factors. Next. Coefficient. What is coefficient? Coefficient is nothing but any variable multiplied with one number. So that number is called coefficient. For example, we take it as a expression 3x square plus 5x minus 6. Now, how many times we have? 1, 2, 3. So, coefficient means variable multiplied with number. So, in 3x square term, what is the variable? X square. So, coefficient of x square is x square multiplied with 3. So, 3 is the coefficient. What is the other term? 5x. So, coefficient of x. So, x is multiplied with 5. So, 5 is the coefficient. So, single term, constant values don't have coefficients. So, only variables having coefficients. Any variable multiplied with any number, that number is called coefficient. So, next topic is monomial. What is monomial? Any algebraic expression having only one term. Any algebraic expression having only one term. Example, 4x, 5x square, 7y. So these are all only having one term. So these are called monomials. Next, binomial. What is binomial? Binomial having two terms. Any algebraic expression having two terms, that is called binomial. Example, 3x plus 3 or 4x square minus 5, 7x plus 5y. So these are having two terms. So all these are called binomials. Next one is trinomial. Trinomial having three terms. Any algebraic expression having three terms, that is called trinomial. Example, x square plus y plus z, or x square minus y minus z. So these two are called trinomials. Next, polynomial. So what is polynomial? Polynomial having more than three terms. So more than three terms means more than three terms. That is example, 4x square, 5xy plus 6x plus 7. So more than three, that is called 4. So more than three terms is called polynomial. So monomial having only one term. In algebraic expression, monomial having only one term, that is called monomial. Any algebraic expression having two terms, that is called binomial. Any algebraic expression having three terms, that is called trinomial. Any algebraic expression more than three terms, that is called polynomial. Okay, in this algebraic expression chapter, exercise 12.1, what is the first problem? Get the algebraic expression in the following cases using the variables, constants and arithmetic operations. So, variables we know A to Z letters, constants also we know numbers. So, arithmetic operations means plus, minus, subtraction and multiplication and division. What are the arithmetic operations? Arithmetic, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Now, what is the first one? Subtraction of z from y. Subtraction of z from y. So, y minus z. Z from y. That means y minus z. Second one, 1/2. 1/2 means 1/2. The sum of numbers x and y. Sum of numbers x plus y. So 1/2 into x plus y. Third one, the numbers z multiplied by itself. Z is multiplied by itself. So z into z. So z into z means z square. Fourth one, 1/4 of the product of numbers p and q. 1/4. 1/4 means 1/4. Product means multiplication. Multiplication of numbers p, q. P into q. Fifth one, the numbers x and y both squared and added. Both squared means x square, y square, and added plus x square plus y square. So next, seventh one. So exercise 12.1, first one is seventh one. Numbers 5 added to 3 times the product of numbers m and n. Numbers 5 is added 3 times of product. 3 times of product m and n. So m into n product. M into n means the product of numbers. 3 times. That means 3 times. Numbers 5 added. That means plus 5. The product of numbers 3 times is added to 5. Next, product of numbers y and z subtracted from 10. The product of numbers y and z, that means y into z, subtracted from 10. That means 10 minus yz. Last one, sum of numbers a and b subtracted from their product. Sum of numbers a plus b, that means a plus b, subtracted from their product. Product means a into b. Subtraction. So a minus b, ab minus a plus b. Sum of numbers a plus b. Their product a into b. From their product subtracted. So ab minus a plus b. Okay, this is exercise 12.1. What is second question? Identify the terms and their factors in the following expressions. Show the terms and factors by tree diagram. So, what is first one? First one is x minus 3 in the algebraic expression. So, what are the terms? So, what are the terms? X and minus 3. So, in the x, what are the factors? So, x is multiplied with 1 and x. And 3 also multiplied with minus 1 and 3. So second, what are the terms? We have 1x and x square. 1x, x square are the terms. So 1 is multiplied, 1 ones are. So x also multiplied with 1 and x. X square, that means x into x. X square is x into x. Next, what is the order? Y minus y power 3. So we have two terms, y and minus y power 3. So y is multiplied with 1 into y. So y power 3, that means we have 3 minus y, y, or minus 1, y, and also y. So, what is the first one? X minus 3 is algebraic expression. We have terms x and minus 3. So x is factors. What are the factors of x? 1 and x. Minus 3, minus 1 and 3. So second, 1 plus x square. How many times we have? 1 x square. 3 times. So what are the factors? 1 factors is 1 into 1. X factors 1 into x square, x into x. So what is third one? Y minus y power 3. How many terms we have? 2. Y minus y power 3. So y factors 1 comma y. Minus y power 3 factors minus 1, y. Oh. Now fourth b. How many terms we have? 2 terms. What are the terms? 5xy square and 7x square y. So 5xy square, what are the factors? What are the factors we have? 5x, y square means y into y. Now 7x square y. How many factors? 7 is factor. X square means x into x, y. So 5x square, 5x. Y square means y into y. 7 means 7. X square means x into x, y. Now, how many terms we have? 3 terms. Minus ab, 2b square, minus 3a square. So, what are the factors of minus ab? Multiplied with minus 1 and a into b. So, 2b square multiplied with 2. b square means b into b. Minus 3a square multiplied with minus 3a square means a into a. So terms, we have two terms, 5x square, 7x square y. So factors 5x y. 7x square factors 7x xy. So last B sum we have three terms, minus ab, 2b square, minus 3a square. What are the terms? Minus 1 factors a, b. 2b square factors 2b, b. Minus 3a square, minus 3a, a. So in the same exercise 12.1 we have question number 3. What is question number 3? Identify the terms and factors in the expressions given below. Same like second sum, but there is tree diagram. Now we don't have any tree diagram. Directly we have to write terms and factors. So what is first one? Oh, for example, we need to draw terms and factors. Right here, very simple. Okay, this is expression. So what is the first one? Minus 4x plus 5. So minus 4x plus 5. How many times we have? Minus 4x and 5. 2 times. What are the factors of minus 4? Minus 4, comma, x. What are the factors of 5? 1, comma, 5. Next. Second one, minus 4x plus 5. What are the terms we have? 2 terms, minus 4x, 5. What are the factors of minus 4x? Minus 4, comma x. 5y, 5, comma y. So minus 4, if you want to write minus 2, 2 and x. C sum, 5y plus 3y square. Here also 2 terms. What are the terms? 5y plus 3y square. So 5y, 5 into y. So 2 factors. 3y square, 3y, y. So D sum, xy plus 2x square, y square. So here also we have 2 factors, 2 terms. xy one term, 2x square y square another term. What are the factors of x comma y? Next, 2x square y square factors 2x x. Y square means y. So last P pq plus q. Pq plus q. How many times we have? Here also same 2 times. PQ comma QQ. What are the factors of P? Q is P comma Q. Q factors 1 and Q. So last F 1.2 AB minus 2.4 B plus 3.6 A. So what are the, how many times we have? 1, 2, 3. 1.2 AB minus 2.4 B 3.6 A. Now 1.2 AB, what are the factors? 1.2 A B minus 2.4 B factors, minus 2.4 B 3.6 factors, 3.6 comma A. So identify the terms and factors. So first one, minus 4x plus 5, we have 2 terms, minus 4x, 5, these are the factors. Minus 4x plus 5y, we have also 2 terms, minus 4x, 5y. So factors, minus 2, 2x, 5y factors, 5 comma y. Same like second one, 5y plus 3y square, 2 terms. 5y plus 3y square, 2 terms, 5y and 3y square, 2 terms. So 5y factors, 5 comma y. 3y square factors 3y. So xy plus 2x square y square also having 2 terms, xy 2x square y square. So these are the factors. pq plus q having also 2 terms, pq and q. pq factors pq, q factors 1 comma q. So last one 1.2 AB minus 2.4B 3.6A 3 terms. So first term factors 1.2 AB, second term factors minus 2.4 B, 3.6 factors 3.6 comma A. So second Roman we have another two sums. G 3 by 4x plus 1 by 4 H 0.1 b square 0.2 q square. So terms expression terms and factors. So what is the first expression? 3 by 4x plus 1 by 4 terms 3 by 4x comma 1 by 4. What are the factors of 3 by 4x? 3 by 4 comma x. 1 by 4, 1 comma 1 by 4. H 0.1 b square, 0.2 q square. What are the factors? 0.1 b square, 0.2 q square. So 0.1 q square times p comma p, 0.2 q comma p. So second Roman, second sum G and H answers. The same exercise 12.1, question number 3. Identify the numerical coefficients of terms other than constants in the following expressions. So what is first given? 5 minus 3t square. Earlier what we discussed about coefficient. Coefficient is multiplied the variable. Any number is multiplied with variable. So first one, this is constant one, so don't have coefficient. So what is the term? Minus 3t square. Minus 3t square. What is the variable here? T square. Now what is the coefficient here? 3. Minus 3 is the coefficient. Minus 3 is the coefficient. Same like first, second one. 1 is the constant value. So remaining terms, what are the terms? 1, that is t square, t power 3. So t is multiplied with 1. So this one also have coefficient is 1. T square coefficient also 1. T power 3 coefficient also 1. Next, what are the terms? X, 2xy, 3y. X, 2xy, 3y are the terms. So x is multiplied with which number? 1. So 1 is the coefficient of x. 2xy. So xy is the variable here. So xy multiplied with 2. So 2 is the coefficient. 3y. Y is multiplied with 3. So 3 is the coefficient. Now fourth one, 100m plus 100m. Here also we have two terms. So 100 into m is multiplied with 100. So 100 is the coefficient. 1000 n. So n is multiplied with 1000. So 1000 is the coefficient of. Same third problem we have another four sums or 5 sums. Fifth one, minus p square q square plus 7pq. Here also we have two terms. Minus p square q square 7pq. So minus p square q square are the variables. So what is the coefficient? Minus 1. 7pq. pq is the variables. So what is the coefficient here? 7. Here also 6 to 1, 1.2a, 1 term, 0.8b, another term. So first one, 1.2a into a. So coefficient of a is 1.2. Coefficient of b is 0.8. Here we have 3.14 into r square. What is the variable here? R square. R square is multiplied with 3.14. So 3.14 is the coefficient. Eighth one. 2 into L plus V. L plus V is the variable. So what is the multiplicative number? 2. 2 is the coefficient. Here also we have two terms. 0.1y, 0.01 y square. Here is the variable y. So y is multiplied with 0.1. So 0.1 is the coefficient. 0.01 y square. y square is the coefficient. What is the multiplicative number? 0.01. So 0.01 is the coefficient. So the same chapter, exercise 12.1, question number 4a. Identify the terms which contain x and give the coefficient of x. So this is very important. We need coefficient of x. So what is multiplied with x? That is the coefficient of x. So expression terms with x coefficient. Okay. So what is first one? Y square x plus y. We need terms with xl. So terms with x is only y square x. Now coefficient of x. What we need? Coefficient of x. So coefficient is x. So x is multiplied with y square. So y square is the coefficient of x. Second one, 13y square minus 8yx. 13y square, 8yx. What we need? Coefficient of x. Terms with xl. So what is the terms with x? Minus 8yx. So x is multiplied with minus 8y. So minus 8y is the coefficient. What is third one? X plus y plus 2. So what is the term with x? Only x. So x is multiplied with which number? 1. So 1 is the coefficient of x. Next, fourth one, 5 plus z plus zx. So terms with x, only zx. So x is multiplied with z. So z is the coefficient. Fifth one, 1 plus x plus xy. See, here we have two x terms. So one is x, another one is xy. So x is multiplied with 1, so 1 is the coefficient. So x is multiplied with y, so here is the y is the coefficient. So next, what is the next one? 67. 12xy square plus 25. 12xy square plus 25. So x term, what is x term? 12xy square. So x is multiplied with 12y square. So 12y square is the coefficient. So last one, 7th one. 7x plus xy square. Here also we have two terms, 7x and xy square. So first term x multiplied with 7. 7 is the coefficient. Second time x is multiplied with y square. So y square is the coefficient. So very simple. What we need? Coefficient of x term. So coefficient of x variable. So first find out in expression what is the term with x. So write down all the term with x. And coefficient of x. Coefficient of x means x is multiplied with any variable or number, that is called coefficient of x. So x is multiplied with y square, so y square is the coefficient. So x is multiplied with minus 8y, so minus 8y is the coefficient. X is multiplied with only 1, so that is the coefficient. Zx, x is multiplied with z, so that is the coefficient. So in this system we have two terms with xl, xy. So x is the coefficient 1, xy, x is coefficient of x is y. So 6th sum, 12xy square. So 12y square is the coefficient. In 7th one also we have two terms, 7x xy square. 7x, first coefficient is 7, second coefficient is y square. So in the same problem, fourth one, B sum, identify the terms which contains y square and give the coefficient of y square. So first what we need to find contains y square terms. So terms with y square. In the first one what they give 8 minus xy square. So y square term is minus x y square minus x y square. So in minus x y square, what is the quotient of y square? So y square multiplied with which term? Y square multiplied with minus x. So minus x is the quotient of y square. And also second one, 5y square plus 7x. 5y square plus 7x. What is the term with y square? 5y square. 5y square. So quotient of y square multiplied with 5. So 5 is the quotient of y square. So third one, expression is 2xy square minus 5xy plus 7y square. So here we have y square times 2. What are the terms? 2x square y 7y square. So here also we have y square. So how many terms we have? 3. 3y square terms. So first y square multiplied with which number? Y square multiplied with so quotient of y square is 5. So third sum 2x square y minus 5xy square plus 7y square. Here 2y square terms minus 15xy square 7y square. So y square multiplied with minus 15x. So minus 15x is the quotient. Here second term y square multiplied with 7. 7 is the quotient. So first what we need to find? Terms with y square. So terms with y square is xy square. So y square multiplied with minus x. So that is the quotient. Second term we have 5y square is the y square term. So only one term. So y square multiplied with 5. So 5 is the quotient. Second we have 2 terms with y square. So 2 terms. So first term quotient is minus 15x. Second term quotient is 7. So in the same exercise 12.1 we have question number 5. Classify into monomials, binomials and trinomials. So they given 12 sums. So find out which one is monomial, which one is binomial and which one is trinomial. Earlier what we discussed, monomial having only one term, binomial having 2 terms, trinomial having 3 terms. Now find out. First one, we have 2 terms, that means binomial. So first one is binomial. Second one only we have one term, that is monomial. Third one, we have 1, 2, 3 terms, that is called trinomial. Fourth one also we have only one term, 100, that is monomial. Here fifth one we have 1, 2, 3 terms, that is trinomial. That is trinomial. So sixth one we have 5 minus 3d. We have 2 terms, binomial. Next, here also we have 2 terms, 4p square q, 4pq square. So binomial. Eighth one, we have 7mn, only one term, that is monomial. That is monomial. Ninth one, we have 1, 2, 3, z square, 3z, 8, 3 terms, trinomial. Tenth one, we have 2 terms, that means binomial. That means binomial. So 11 also we have z square plus z, 2 terms. Here also binomial. Last one, 1x square, 3 terms. We have 3 terms. That means trinomial. So fifth one very easy. Find out monomials, binomials and trinomials. So monomials means only one term. Binomials means 2 terms. Trinomials means 3 times. Now first check the terms. How many times in the algebraic expression? How many times in the? So find out first how many times in the algebraic expression. 2 times trinomial, single term trinomial, monomial. 3 times trinomial. So fifth one answers. So in the same exercise 12.1 we have question number 6. State whether a given pair of terms is like or unlike terms. Like or unlike terms. So like terms, unlike terms. Like terms means same type of variables we have, the terms are called like terms. Different variables we have, unlike terms. Now see the sums 1 and 100. Both are constant values, so like terms. Second, first term having x, second term also having x. So these two are also like terms. Here check, this is x, this is y. Both are different variables, so unlike terms. Fourth one we have xy. Here also yx. Yx or xy, both are same. So like terms. Fifth one, m square p, mp square. Here we have two m's. M square means 2 m's. Here also only 1 m. So both are different. So unlike terms. Here xy, here x square, z square. Here only 1x, here 2x's. So both are different terms. So unlike terms. So pairs of terms is like or unlike. Like means same type of variables we have, like terms. Remaining are also unlike. So 1 and 100 are coefficient, that means constant values. So both are same. Here is the variable x, so like terms. So variables are different variables, so unlike. Here also different variables. It should look like different variables, but both are same. xy, yx. Here is also 1x, here is also 1x. y, so like terms. Fifth one, m square p, mp square. M square, that means 2 m's. M, single m, so both are different, so unlike terms. Here also xy variables, x square, z square. So only 1x here, x square means 2x's, so unlike terms. The same exercise 12.1, not 12.1, but 1.1. Question number 7. Identify the like terms. Question number 7. Identify the like terms in the following. So they give some terms. You need to find like terms. Like terms. First, check here xy square, that means 1x, 2y's. 1x and 2y's. See, this is also 1x and 2y's. So no. So minus xy square, 2xy square are the like terms. What is second one? 4yx square, 1y x square, 2y's, yx square. See here, yx square. So these two are like terms. 4yx square, 20x square y. Both are like terms. Next, x square terms. 8x square, 11x square. So 8x square minus 11x square. Next, y terms. See, 7y and y. 7y and y. Next, x terms. 100x, 3x. Minus 100x, comma 3x. Next, yx. Yx terms are xy terms. Both are same. Yx and xy. minus 11yx and 2x, both are same like terms. So here also one x square is there. So right here minus 6x square. So these are the like terms. They given some terms. We divided into same terms like terms. Minus xy square, 2xy square. Minus 4yx square, 20x square y. Both are same. X square times x square minus 7x square minus 6x square. Y times 7y, y. X times minus 100x, 3x. Minus 11xy, 2xy. Both are same. Y, y, x, x. So, same exercise 10.1 we have 7th Roman B. Identify the like terms in the following. Same like first one. Like terms. Same variables. 10pq. 10pq. Check whether there are pq. So, 7pq also same. And 78qp. qp or pq. Both are same. So, minus 7qp. 78qp. So these three are like terms. Next, P, 7P. Where is another P? So 2405P. So these two are P values. So P terms. 8Q. Check where 100Q minus 100Q. Next check. No other Q values. So these two are Q terms. P square Q square minus P square Q square. So here also 12 Q square P square Q square. Both are same. So P square Q square terms are over. Next, what is next one? Single numbers, that is constant values 23 and 41. Next, P square values minus 5P square, only P square. So this is 701 P square. Next, P square cube, 13 P square cube. Q P square, P square cube, Q P square, both are same. So these two are like this. So identify the like terms in the following. So these two, 10pq minus 7qp, 17qp, pq or qp, both are same. These three are like terms. 7p, 2400p, both are like terms. 8q minus 100q, like terms. P square, q square, p square, both are same. So constant values are like terms. P square terms are like terms. P square q, p square, both are same. So these two are also like terms.